Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zoom. And today's video I'm gonna say you some battle strategy games. So my games will be super quality and number one game and some hidden games. So mm, today tech news didn't come. So tech news won't come in at Monday to Friday, only Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, Sunday I will me weekend news means like all Monday to Friday all tech news plus uh, Saturdays. In Sundays means at I will make half of Tuesday and Wednesdays, Tuesdays tech news at Saturday, Monday, Tuesday and Saturdays one tech news which I will make it at Saturday. Other one Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, and plus Sunday tech news. So please watch my video and give some support. So I got more views, 50 up, 65 views. So thank you for giving that much. So let's move to our game. Let's start the video. So here's our first game, which name is Modern OPS Online Shooter FPS, and this means games graphics all are good, and its size is 403 MB, and all smooth, like you will get PC. You're playing shooting game of PC game. So this game was in battle strategy only. So I took this game, and you will get some feelings of that you're playing in your PC this game, but it is available in Android, and it is not PC game. So wonderful game, you must try this game. So for me it was good game. So its size also is not too much big, 403. So please download it. So for me good. No, so it was. So let's move to our second game. So here's our second game, which name is Boom Beach. Boom Beach. This game is wonderful, and it's a battle strategy, and graphics are also are good, and in this game characters also is good, and and in this game everyone will play. It is not a hidden game, and size is 121 MB, which is not too much. This games means how this game is that much MBs. The game also is wonderful, and you can see that controls are also good, and the characters means sketch of that animation all, and the victory all. Victory means in where when you get in victory, that time you will get a cool design. Victory means like this something military style, means military badge, like that bigger you will make, and inside that victory and orange, like that they will make. But this game's graphics are wonderful, means clear, no bugs. Some bugs are there, but not too much, and you will get relaxed while playing this. No tension game like other game, shooting game like PUBG all. Not like that. Easy for kids, also good. All everyone it's good for who are interested interest on Clash of Clan, this game also is good. Okay, so enough for this much information about Boom Beach. So let's move to our third game. So here's our third game, which is name is Gods of Olympus, which is size is 89 MB, and this game is wonderful. Wonderful means wonderful. It's a hidden game. I don't know many people knows this. Some secret game it is. So I don't know many people, but I also did not see. And its size is 89 MB, and its graphics all are good, like Boom Beach only, but little bit improvements are there. Similar I can't say. What to tell only I can't say. It's similar also I can't say. It's different also I can't say. Means this all only the scene you can see, that all palace all that little bit like Boom Beach only. All games like that only. And but other like what to tell. This game is only awesome. Okay, this game is wonderful. Graphics all are this, and controls wonderful, and you must play this game. For me, this game is little bit lower. Boom Beach, and Gods of Olympics. If you need, if you think that Boom Beach size is more, you can download Gods of Olympics. This game also is wonderful. So let's without wasting time, let's go move to our fourth game. So here's our fourth game, which name is Top War Battle Game. It is 107 MB, and wonderful game, not too much. So I kept it down in fourth number, because this game is not too much. You will enjoy it, but for me not good. You can subscribe to my channel. Suddenly I told sorry for that. Subscribe to my channel, and again I'm gonna say you that this gameplay all I am making some gameplay. Boom Beach and Gods of Olympus I only made. Other all my cousins made, because this also my cousins made, because size is bigger, so I can't. So many data will waste. So little bit they also escaped it. So I okay, no problem, I told. So this gameplay also my cousin's gameplay. I'm just saying, and let me say about that. Okay, I'm just noticing you. This his channel you subscribe, Zil Games. He will make wonderful gameplay videos. So subscribe to him. Okay, and this is this gameplay all are wonderful. Means sometimes some map all you will get that hate this game. So some map is good. So good game. Please download it. So its size is 107 MB. This game also is like hidden game only. I also don't know. You people knows, comment down. You people are not commenting down. And if you like this video, put a like button. Click on that thumbs up button. Make it blue. And if you did not like also, please watch this full video. And our views are coming bigger. My first video 40 views, and total 65 views. So make this video 30 views, and likes 5. Okay, not too much. You can't do 10 likes only, so I am saying 5 likes. Last video 7 likes. Thank you for that. So let's move to our last and fifth game. So let's move. So here's our fifth and last game, and this game's name is Last Shelter Survivor. And this game is like survival only. You can build some houses, chapters are there, many excited things you can make here, and graphics also is realistic. So please download it. And I want to say you something new. At Saturday a video will come about Fall Guys. You can something, you know, everyone's favorite something. If you got the guess, you can put in comment section and be excited to see watch the video and make that video viral. Means viral means like my first video, you must give 10 likes. 10 likes. If you are very excited, you must put 20 likes. Target is 20 likes. You must do. If you make something will update my channel, means something I will only be updated. All videos, graphics, all means video quality, all will be wonderful. So this game also you can download it. Wonderful game. So here's our video ends. So my don't be tension. My tech news will come at Saturday. Weekend tech news I will make. Why? Because every five tech news what? So less tech news. So I will make weekend only. Weekend only. Means I'll try it. In five I will make. Sunday I will make five. In Monday to Friday Monday to Friday I will make all videos, all tech news I will take, and I will make Saturday half and Sunday half. So you will get some more tech news. Even Saturdays I will also take with the Saturdays and Sundays. Sundays and other half. So please watch the video like that, support and make views 10 likes. Please like this video, comment down, subscribe to my channel and give some support. For your support my channel will work. Without your support my channel won't work. So for your support, please subscribe, like. But I won't be very low feeling when haters make something. I will ignore. The supportness make one views, two views, five views, any views I will make my video. That's my job. I will make views or likes will come one day. So enough talking. So here's our this video was wonderful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see this was some tech videos every Saturday and Sunday and Tuesday and Thursday. So my name is Sion Fernandez. My name is Sion Fernandez. I'm going to end this video. So bye bye guys. See you in next video.